Good evening and welcome back to my channel. I'm Emily if you're new here, and today I'm going to be making my dry and tired looking skin look healthy and hydrated again. Everything that I use in this video is all bought by myself. None of it has been gifted to me, so it's just what I have found works for myself. I will link everything in the description down below if you do want to check those out, but let's start our at-home facial routine. Okay, so for step one, I would say to wash your face. I've obviously just come out the shower, so I have done that already, but at this stage you don't want any product on your skin. And then for step two, I have just got a mixing bowl with boiling water. We're going to be steaming our face. And I would say this is probably one of my favourite steps. It's the most relaxing. I just hang my head over the bowl, and then I'm going to drape a towel over my head and neck so none of the steam is escaping. And that way you can just let the steam penetrate your pores, and I do this for about 5 to 10 minutes. Okay, so for step three, now that we've steamed our face, we're going to go in with our exfoliator. I'm using this one from the Body Shop. It is the Vitamin C Daily Glow Cleansing Polish. And the good thing about this one is you can actually incorporate it into your everyday skincare routine. It's super sensitive on the skin as well. So I'm just going to apply a generous amount to the fingers and then rub it in circular motions all over my skin. So once I'm happy that I've really rubbed this exfoliator into my skin, I'm now going to rinse that off, so I'm just going to wash it away with warm water. But if your skin wasn't feeling really squeaky and clean after the first wash, it should be feeling that now. But next up, I'm going in with my Vitamin C Radial Brightening Tonic. This is an absolute must. I have fell in love with this product, and I'm literally going to apply a small amount onto a cotton pad and just rub it gently around my skin. For step five, we're going in with this. This is my glycolic acid exfoliating glow serum. I love this product. You only use this like once every 3 days. It's quite a strong product and you do not need a large amount, but I just apply a couple of drops to my skin, and then I'm going to rub this all over my skin with my hands. So you can already see how much brighter my skin's looking now, but that product has a really slight tingling effect to it, and I just feel that that makes you feel like the product's working. But for step number 6, I actually go in with 2 different products that I mix together. The first one being the Body Shop Vitamin C Glow Revealing Serum. And then the other product is this Simple Radiance Booster. Again, I love this product, but it is quite a greasy product and you don't want to get this one in your eye just because it makes your eyes feel quite clogged up. So I'm going to apply a generous amount onto the palm of my hand, and then literally 3 drops of this one mixed in with the Body Shop serum. And then I rub these all together and just gently apply this to the skin. So my skin is feeling so much healthier, it's got a nice shine to it, but you might want to just allow this product to soak in for about a couple of minutes and then apply your moisturiser. So that is the final step. your moisturiser. Today I'm actually going to be using this one, and this one is the Extreme Vitality Renewing Cream. My skin is in need of this cream today, so I'm just literally going to apply a generous amount onto my finger. I literally just dab a couple of dots all over my skin and then just rub this. I have literally no technique for this, but rub it in circular motions all over the face. And I do actually now like to use and leave a really thick layer of this cream all over my face. I used to hate that feeling of like tacky moisturiser on your skin, but it allows it to really soak into the skin and you will be left feeling so glowy and hydrated. So it's now my new favourite way to leave moisturiser. So that does conclude my very simple at-home facial routine, and just look how much more my skin is glowing. I'm feeling fresh and ready to go out. I really hope you liked this video. If you do, please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you never miss any of my future videos. It is free to subscribe and you can unsubscribe at any point. But thank you so much for watching, and with all your support on my channel, I'll see you next video.